In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom sections to a project home in Basecamp. While Basecamp's project home can't be broken into truly custom sections like you might see in Notion or ClickUp, you can get very close by shaping what appears in the project's sidebar and how those items are labeled. This approach lets you guide teammates to the right places quickly and makes your project feel organized and intentional. Start by opening the project you want to tidy up. In the top right corner, click the three-dot More menu. From there, choose Set up Project Tools. This is the control room for what your project shows and how it's described. Inside this setup view, toggle tools on or off to match how your team actually works. If you never use a campfire chat, switch it off to reduce noise. If your project is heavy on documents but light on deadlines, keep docs and files visible and consider hiding schedule. The goal isn't to remove functionality you might need later, but to clear the path so folks see what matters first. Less visual clutter means faster onboarding and fewer "where do I put this?" questions. Now, make those tools do double duty by renaming them to match your workflow. Renaming doesn't change what a tool does, it simply changes how it appears in the sidebar. For example, you might rename Message Board to Announcements, To-Dos to Planning and Priorities, or Docs and Files to Client Notes or Project Knowledge Base. Descriptive names help teammates intuitively understand where to post, where to look, and where to get answers. A quick tip on naming: be specific, use plain language, and keep it consistent across projects. If one project uses planning and priorities, consider using that same label across other projects so the experience feels familiar. Avoid clever labels that could confuse new collaborators. As you make changes, Basecamp applies them immediately, so there's no extra save step. When you're done, the left-hand sidebar effectively acts like your custom sections, steering people to the right destinations without altering Basecamp's core layout. It's a simple shift that makes a big difference in day-to-day clarity. Once your tools are set, let your team know what each renamed area is for. A short note in the message board explaining the new labels and the intended use of each tool can prevent misfiled tasks and scattered information. And that's it. By curating which tools are visible and labeling them in a way that mirrors your workflow, you've created a clean, customized feel on your project home. No hacks, no add-ons, just smart use of what Basecamp already provides.